Hi friends, let me show you this new fan with lights that I received for viewing purposes. It is an interior fan to use inside of your home or your office, whatever you need this kind of equipment. It is really nice. As you can see, the finish is like brushed silver, a little bit gold. It's kind of a brushed silver color, and you have two-sided blades, this light brown one and this more gray. So that's nice because you can change them or install them in the color that better fits your needs or your decoration. This is the actual lamp that goes in the bottom. It's an LED light, as you can see. And you can change the temperature and the intensity of it. You will see. Let's install it. As you can see, I've installed my fan with light here in my office. It looks really nice. You can control it with the remote, different speeds, different color, light temperatures, as you can see, colder, warmer, and you can put it to work in fixed times, like 2 hours, 4 hours. So I think it's great for any place that you want to use it. Remember, you can change the blades colors from light brown to gray, and you can control everything with the remote. Really nice if you need a new fan with light in your home, in your office, in any space in those places. Thank you.